The Textile Inquiry Committee says that we are getting much less cloth than we had even under a foreign government in the year 1938-39. Full stop. Only one conclusion was be drawn from this statement of oblique the Textile Inquiry Committee in its report. Full stop. I have great respect for his intelligence and I know that the meaning of the report will not have been lost on him. Full stop. What I was saying was that I Indo-Pakistan trade in very important full stop in the entire scheme of our import-export trade, that does not feature much full stop. The market that we lose there is being taken by the foreigners, especially the USA and UK, and the market Pakistan losses in our country is being taken up to a great extent by these two countries, and if you see the line of trade, the fall in the Indo-Pakistan trade has given rise to our trade with one or other of the foreign countries with regard to certain commodities. Full stop. Our import and export policy does not take initiative to see as to how the trade could be developed with Pakistan. Full stop. I am aware of the political difficulties that are in the way of the ministry. Full stop. At the same time, it is the duty of the ministry to take initiative and bring home the fact that unless and until we put our trade between these two countries, where normal and natural economic ties have been distributed, on a proper footing, there will always be disadvantages on our side and certain other is what is happening today if you carefully look into the developments in their connections. Full stop. Next para there is yet another problem of our relations with UK that calls for a separate treatment. Full stop. In the old days, the honorable ministers and their leaders and their camp followers were all complaining against the preferential treatment that was then called imperial preference. The various agreements that were arrived at unillitately for fleecing India's economics. Full stop. Times have changed and no longer are we supposed to be in the British Empire. We are a Commonwealth country and a republic. Full stop. But what about those preferences, have benefits out of them? Question mark. That is a point which needs clarification. Full stop. Whenever we raise that point, we are told that we are deriving more benefits because of these preferences than the United Kingdom. But whenever we read their papers, their London Times, economics section and all other proper emanated from the city of London, we find that they tell their own people that they are happy that they are having this kind of relationship with us and they are gaining by such preferences. Full stop. Now, are we to understand that we are both gaining as a result of these preferences? I don't think so. Full stop. The position is not at all so. Full stop. Next para on the country, as a result of these preferences, India stands to lose. Full stop. That position, I think, has not been altered to the satisfaction of our country, and the honorable minister will per preference clarify that position when he speaks. Full stop. If these preferences work to the detriment of our economy, comma, the time has come when we must keep them full stop. We need not go in for such preferences, comma, and I am sure that the policy which is required has got to be adopted in the interest of our entire economy, comma, not merely in the interests of our foreign sector and not merely in the interest of any particular sector, full stop. Next para reference has been made to sterling balances, full stop. I don't know how much of the sterling balances is left at the moment, full stop. It would not exist 740 crores, full stop. It may be much less, full stop. A large part of our sterling balances and been expended with a view to meeting the deficits in the balance of payments, full stop. It was thought at the end of the war that these balances which had accumulated there, comma, would be utilized for financing certain developments in our country, comma, for developing the economic in our country, comma, in particular for importing machinery that we daily required, full stop. After the termination of the war, comma, the reverse process took place, full stop. I would only mention what Sir Winston Churchill, comma, the Prime Minister at that moment, comma, has written in his war memories, full stop. He is very bitter about India's claims on sterling balances, full stop. He says that he does not like at all that India should make demands on the sterling balances, full stop. He thought that he had saved India and, comma, therefore, comma, India had no right to claim the sterling balances, full stop. This is how he has written, comma, although he does not use the same blunt words, but he makes it very clear, full stop. Here is the British Prime Minister who would not like a penny out of the sterling balances to be paid to India, but circumstances have compelled him to do so many things, full stop. Similarly, comma, he has been forced to accept a position where sterling balances had to be paid under certain agreements in installments, and we all know that, full stop. But you see that large chunks of the sterling balances had been spent for meeting the deficit in the balance of trade, full stop. A much bigger amount has been spent for meeting the deficit in the balance of payment, including such item as pensions, full stop. You know we have a tapering annuity, comma, out of which pensions are paid, comma, and that money is paid from the sterling balances, full stop. Therefore, comma, it is a scandalous thing that these balances had been spent not for the development of the economy of our country, comma, but for meeting certain liabilities which we might have just as well avoided, and liabilities which we should not even recognize, comma, for instance, comma, the liabilities with the regard to pensions and all that, full stop. It is no use trying to explain the position in great detail regarding the sterling balances in our country, full stop.